Muthenya wa rucio senators magakorwo magitungana rita ria kenda kugeria kwaririria na kuiguithaniria mutaratra uri gukorwo kihuthika kugayania ciringi mbirioni 316.5 iria ifatie kugayirwo thirikari cia kaunti.
Mr. Speaker, I beg to lay the following papers.
Ino ni nderetie tigete ngayukano nene gatagati ka maseneta na cio kaunti igatigwo ugwatini wa kugumirwo ni nyuhu wa besha.
Speaker, increasing love in hearing the chair.
Riu Kanju ya mangavana ikiuga niranyita mbaru riendekithia riria riheanitwo ni seneta wa guthukio Petronila Were ria kwongerera kigina kiria kigayagirwo makaunti kuuma ciringi mbirioni 316.5 nginyagia mbirioni 348 ari njira ya gutigira gutire kaunti ikuhinyiririka.
That is the proposal that I want on behalf of my colleagues, although we have not had a council meeting, to support, because any money, more money going to counties, that proposal should be supported.
Mwaka uyu turi wa kigina kaunti ciothe ifatie kugayirwo ciringi mbirioni 316.5 na kungituika ati kigina giki gikugayanio kuringana na wingi wa andu kuri na kaunti igwikora atikaini ya kugayirwo kigina kinini na cio kaunti ingi igunike na njira nene. Senator Petronila Were akiendekithia mwaka uyu kigina kigayo na mutaratra uri urariho no thutha mutheri kigina giki kiongererwo na mbirioni 32.5 ni gutigakorwo na kaunti ikorwo ni kigina kiayo.
It is their responsibility to pass kara on time and make sure that the formula proposed is passed with the amendment put in by Petronila Were that will ensure that we get 348 instead of 316.
Thege wa mutaratra uri uheanitwo ni ruhonge ruria ruhanganagia nogai wa kigina makaunti-ini kuriona mendekithia mangi maheanitwo ni senators makiria 5 na riu kibarua kinene kiria kiri moko-ini ma senators ni kumurika mutaratra uria mwagiriru makiria na thutha mutheri uhitukio.
Talk about the people of Kiambu. I'm not talking about Kikuyu people. In actual sense, Mr. Speaker, 7 out of 10 people in Kiambu are Kikuyu, yes, Meru, but 3 are not.
Ona kuri uguo Nditimurano hiyo netanyitwo kwiyumiria kuona kwa ihinda riri senators ni mareketie kwiyahura ni ikundi kumana na ndereti ino.
As we talk now, counties have not received July and August money.
Riu ndurumeni ciothe kamurikithio bunge-ini ya Senate muthi wa rucio kiuria kinene arikana ni gukagia no theri kana gikaro kia rucio igathira ta cikaro 8 irireketie kuhituka atari kihonio ro giothe.